Having your car stolen? It's not just a headache, it's a gut punch. The cost, the stress, the feeling that someone just violated your space, it all adds up fast. But the truth is, most thefts happen because the car was simply easy to steal. That's where steering wheel locks come in. And if you're not using one yet, this is your wake-up call. In today's video, we're breaking down the best steering wheel locks of 2025, ranked and reviewed. We put each one through real-world tests, installation, durability, and yes, we even broke out the bolt cutters. And hey, product links for all the locks we feature are down in the description, so check those out if you're ready to lock things down. Now let's dive in. At number 5, the Vetcom steering wheel lock with alarm. Now, on paper, this thing looks like a winner. A steering lock and a built-in motion-sensitive alarm? Sounds like the perfect two-for-one combo, right? But here's the deal, it just didn't quite live up to the hype when we put it to the test. Let's start with the concept, because honestly, it's a great one. The idea is to clamp the Vetcom onto a half-turn steering wheel and rest its motion sensor arm right up against the dashboard. If anyone tries to tamper with the wheel, the alarm is supposed to go off immediately, creating a ton of noise and hopefully scaring the thief away. Sounds awesome in theory, and the device itself feels decently sturdy when installed correctly. But that's the first problem. Installing it correctly isn't as easy as it should be. We spent a ridiculous amount of time figuring out how to use it because, get this, it didn't come with instructions. No guide in the box, no clear markings on the device, and not even a website to walk you through the setup. We eventually found a tiny how-to video buried in the Amazon product page, but if you don't install this thing exactly right, it simply won't work. Coming in at number 4, we've got a true classic, the Cartman vehicle steering wheel lock. Now, if you're the kind of driver who values simplicity, reliability, and a good old-fashioned deterrent that gets the job done, this one is definitely worth your attention. This lock is built around the time-tested twin-hook bar design, the kind of thing you've probably seen on countless cars over the last couple of decades. But don't let the old-school look fool you. This is a modernized version that still holds its own in 2025. It's also lightweight, which means easy storage under the seat or in the trunk, and it's affordable, often costing a fraction of the high-end steering wheel locks out there. That makes it a great choice for people on a budget, or those looking to layer their security with both physical locks and electronic measures. If you want a no-nonsense, reliable, and easy-to-use steering wheel lock that gets the job done without breaking the bank, the Cartman is an underrated gem. It may not be flashy, but it's tough, time-tested, and more than capable of throwing a wrench in a thief's plans. Alright, if you're serious about maximum security and you want a steering wheel lock that looks and acts like something built for a bank vault, then let me introduce you to the Disclock. This thing doesn't just lock your wheel, it wraps around it, encases it, and dares any would-be thief to even try to move your car. The Disclock is a full-coverage, spinning shell that clamps around your entire steering wheel. That patented design actually spins freely if someone tries to force the wheel from the outside, making steering virtually impossible, even if the thief somehow manages to start the engine. That means it protects not just against brute-force steering theft, but also keyless entry attacks, which are becoming more and more common with modern vehicles. This lock isn't light-duty, literally. It's made from hardened steel and weighs in at around 11 pounds, depending on the size you choose. But that heft? That's your security. It's why this lock has consistently ranked as one of the most effective physical anti-theft devices in both consumer and professional reviews for years. If you drive a high-value vehicle, live in a high-theft area, or just want serious peace of mind, the Disclock is the king of steering wheel locks. It's not the cheapest option out there, but when you compare that price to your insurance deductible, or worse, a stolen car, it's a worthwhile investment in real physical protection. Coming in at number 2 is the Kenttop seatbelt wheel lock. And if you're all about speed and simplicity, this one might just be your go-to. Now, let's be real for a second. Not everyone wants to crawl under their dash or wrestle with bulky steel bars every time they park. Some of us just want a lock we can snap into place in under 10 seconds, and that's exactly where the Kenttop shines. It uses a flexible, coated steel cable that loops through your steering wheel and anchors directly into the seatbelt latch. That's right, your seatbelt becomes your anti-theft system. What we really like about this lock is its innovative design. Unlike many cable-style locks that just hang loose, the Kenttop includes a lockable shell that covers the seatbelt release button. It also scores points for portability. Weighing almost nothing and taking up less space than a can of soda, it's the kind of device you can toss in your center console and forget about until you need it. Alright, our number one spot is the Teflie Universal Steering Wheel Brake Lock. And let me just say, if you want to make your vehicle virtually unstealable, this is the one. Unlike most locks that only secure the steering wheel, this beast adds a second layer of protection by anchoring it to your brake or clutch pedal. That's right, it physically locks the steering wheel and stops the brake from being pressed. So even if a thief hotwires your car, good luck steering or stopping it. This thing basically turns your car into a 3,000-pound paperweight. The Teflie is made of solid alloy steel, and it feels just as tough as it looks. It's heavy, in a good way, like you know it means business. We tested it with all the usual suspects: hammer hits, lock picks, torque tests, even bolt cutters, and honestly, it held up like a champ. Short of bringing a power grinder and a ton of time, a thief is not getting this thing off. Installation is pretty straightforward, though I'll be honest, if you've got a bad back or knee issues, getting it hooked to the brake pedal can be a little awkward. It's not hard, but it does require a bit of crouching or bending to get it lined up properly. Once it's set though, rock solid, and unlocking it is just as easy. Turn the key, lift it off, and you're good to go. So there you have it. 5 of the top steering wheel locks you can buy in 2025, from the heavy-duty monsters to quick-install deterrents. If we had to recommend just one, the Teflie brake lock is our clear winner for full-on security. But if ease of use or budget is your top concern, the others all bring something unique to the table. Links to all the products are in the description below. Go check them out and protect your ride before it's too late. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear breakdowns, and drop a comment letting us know which one would you trust with your car. Until next time, stay safe and keep your wheels where they belong.